Hello and welcome to this episode of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we are looking at a fully trimmed rear seat folding shelf backrest squab for the Austin Healey 3000 BJ8. Bit of a mouthful. It's effectively the backrest of the rear seat that doubles down as a folded luggage shelf. Only applicable to the BJ8 models, so all the other Healey 3000s didn't have this. This has been trimmed using new woodwork which we supplied, as well as the new covers and applicable foam bits and bobs. We've done it in our Austin Healey blue vinyl using the correct original specification chrome piping. Let's try and get a good view there we are, nice. And it's also got the correct HFRF square pattern for the vinyl Ambla that left the factory. It's worth bearing in mind for any leather-faced or full leather seats that left the factory, they didn't use the chrome piping and they reverted to the pleats, not the square pattern, so just bear that in mind. So yeah, we've trimmed it up, as you can see. They always had these leather tabs here, so regardless of what the main material was, they were always leather to keep it in place. If I try and undo these, just bear with me as I'm doing this one-handed. Oh. Not to get it to collapse, there we go. And it folds down like so. So you can see we've used the Karvel, which is the ribbed carpet material that Healey used. We've actually done stitching on the inner section here. We normally actually weld those for the majority of our kits, but this customer has expressly asked that we actually stitch those as per original spec because he's entering it into a couple of concours competitions, so we've obliged. Yeah, and you obviously get this lip here, goes all the way around. It's a metal lip that's attached to the woodwork and trimmed. So yeah, comprehensive kit ready to go in the car basically. It's even got the reinforcement brackets on the back here, as well as the domed chrome ones there. So very comprehensive kit. Obviously it's missing the seat pans, but our customer wants to do those himself at his end, so that's not a problem. Yeah, just thought I'd show you an example. I've got a few examples here now on the YouTube and the website of trimmed up versions of these, a couple of vinyl ones now and a leather faced one. It's worth checking them all out. Please remember to like, subscribe and send to other classic car enthusiasts out there. Till next time, cheers.